on the other side is New York, but today since it's too foggy, we're not able to see. I can see a little bit of the ferry. I'm not sure if those ferries are running today, but then we can go and see. It's quite far from here. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. It's right there straight. I don't know what my GoPro is capturing, but we have a ferry called NY Waterways there, and these are the buses that run in New Jersey, which we take a lot. This 158 number actually goes from West New York to New York, Times Square. It takes about 20 minutes of time, and with ferry it takes 10 minutes. So let's take you to the world's best ferry from where we stopped. I wish my phone worked, but it did not. It just stopped working. I was thinking of going all the way back to my home and record, but then, oh my god, this guy is coming on me. I have to run. Hello. So, again, we are going to see what I was supposed to show you in a short while. Since I'm recording with my GoPro, maybe my audio wouldn't be that audible. It records in a little low voice, so let's just see. But then it's a beautiful weather, right? Right, guys? These are ferry buses that run both on New York and New Jersey side. Like after you get off your ferry, you can take the ferry bus. And let's cross the street and let's just see the world's best ferry. So yay, these are ferry buses. I love my ferry buses. They are not mine, but I just love them. Every time I take a ferry from here to New York, these ferry buses are pretty much free, so you can hop into ferry buses and then take you to main points like Times Square, Central Park, Madison Square and all those places, so it kind of gets very easy. So if you can see, this is the world's best ferry. Shit. My goodness, whatever. So, world's best ferry, can you see? The world's best ferry. I don't know where it was written that way, but I love this ferry, but it's not the world's best ferry. Then whatever. So guys, even on a snowy day like this, the ferries are still running, and I'm too tempted to not take the ferry. So probably I would take the ferry in the later half of the day when it's not snowing. Or maybe I would just go and change my dress and come here and go and take the ferry to New York, because right now I'm, so I actually love sitting on the upper deck of the ferry, and it does get cold. I don't know whether it's open today or not for the ferries, but can you see the ferry there? That is the one that goes to New York. It goes to Midtown. And yeah, Midtown and Wall Street. This one probably is going to Midtown. I don't know what my GoPro is showing, but that is the ferry. We have one parked here. It will be quite an experience to take a ferry today. How do I look? Oh my god, that's wind and snow. And see, the side, there's no wind. So now I have to go. In India we do get snow, but we don't get snow in plains, like the regions which are plains. We usually do get snow in the mountains, but in US there are a lot of cities which do receive a lot of snow. When I was in Wisconsin, I used to see a lot of snowfall, and here in New Jersey, it's not as much as Wisconsin used to have, but then yeah, sometimes days like these, like today, we are having a lot of snowfall. And I was thinking of going to New York, but then let's see if I would be able to. taken one yet. Usually I do take Uber if I have to, but I haven't taken much of Uber either. Usually take subways or, yeah, mostly subways. So let's just walk down from the bus station to Times Square. Thankfully we have walking sign on at the moment, and I'm taking you to Times Square. Whoa! These are city bikes. So guys, you just saw how much accumulated snow there was in New Jersey in my last video, and in this video you can see at the same time you see a lot of scattered snow in New York. And I always discuss with my hubby, maybe that is because we have such tall buildings so snow does not get to reach the bottoms of the road. So you could see a lot of slushy snow, a lot of wet snow. Wow! I see a snowman there. So let's just get a little closer to him. And what are these things? Are these rides? I don't know, I have no idea. Or maybe there isn't so much snow here is because people do clean it very fast. I mean, they do clean the pavements, they do clean the roads, and they do make it at the side so that you can see a lot of snow on this side but not on the roads or the pavements. And that makes it very clean because everybody's so busy, everybody gotta go to work, and that's what New York is about. A lot of slushy snow here on the roads. And what is the way out here? They also do have an installation on the Times Square. This is for Valentine's Day. From this angle, look, it looks like heart. The red thing, it looks like heart in between the black rods. So I really don't know what exactly is this about. Maybe it'll sparkle in the night, or maybe this is just the installation that we see in front of me. But this is what it is. Even in this cold, people are out and about and walking from one road to another. And probably this is what New York is about. You don't get to stop because life is now. So just explore and experience New York as it is a normal day.